guys, welcome back to another video today. And today I got another slime package. And I wasn't expecting this, but I guess I got it. So yay, let's go open it. Hold on a minute. Okay, so hey, there's a slime again right there. Oh, okay. Let's put that there. Oh, so I guess this is my slime. I guess that's where that came from. I guess we'll, ew, this doesn't even look like slime. Ew. Okay, let me get my extras out, and I guess the receipt that's ripped, okay. I guess I got two. This says no refunds. That's, okay. No refunds, I guess. The slime better be good then. If not, I will get my money back. I will sue her. Ew. She couldn't make it like a pretty color. Oh, and guys, if you guys are thinking this is fake, I actually ordered it from, this girl, she sends out slimes every month, like different kinds of slime, like fluffy slime. Jiggly slime is this month. The next month, I don't know. I have to look. But she, and her name is Slime Officials. I don't know. But she makes slime, I guess, and sells it for like $20. This slime, I think, is 20 bucks. I'd have to look again. But it was a lot of money. So I recommend you not buying from her unless this slime is really good. If it is, then I would recommend buying it, or you guys buying it from her. But if I don't like it, then, and if it sticks to me like it already is, I recommend you not buying this slime from her. Ew. Ew. See, it already sticks when I just, look at that. That's so, ugh. Get off of me. Like, it doesn't even go back to where it came from. I got 100 million away. Okay, it took me about an hour to get that out, but I guess this is the slime. It's very, very, like, jiggly and everything. See how long I can hold it in my hands for without it sticking to me like this. Okay, let's just let it seep through my hands, see how long it takes, and see if it sticks to me. Ew, it feels so weird. Okay, now let's take it off. Oh my gosh, it's not coming off, guys. Ew, get off of me. Okay. So I guess it's okay, but I'm not gonna sue her because it's basically a good consistency. I'm just gonna have to put a little more borax in it. Borax or eye contact solution. Get off of me. Or eye contact solution. Okay. Now let's read the receipt. It's already ripped open. It's on the back of a Valentine's thing. It says, always share with a pal like you. Cool. Recite. Okay, apparently that's, I crossed out my address, but it says receipt, slime, large. This is pretty, like, medium-ish, so it's medium. Basically small. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it was $20, and then extras were $2. I mean, this girl is pretty expensive. This is really good slime, though. It's just really sticky. So I got a Minecraft block. Diamond Minecraft block. Cool. It's mine now. I guess I can, like, cover it, maybe. Hopefully it doesn't stick to my block, because I can use this for, like, videos, like toy hunts and everything. Ooh, I can't even pick it up. My slime block is gone. Guys, my slime block. You get it? Slime block. I know, I'm stupid. But there are slime blocks in Minecraft if you have not already played it. I can't even pick this up because it's... Oh, wait, I gotta cover this up. Okay. I can't even pick it up. Okay, this is the slime block that I have in my hand. So let's see if we can take it out of this without it sticking to me. I got 100 million reasons to walk away. Okay, first let's work on cleaning it off. Okay, now let's focus on cleaning our hands now. And this is a really sticky slime. Next thing, a Tsum Tsum. Oh my god, not a Tsum Tsum. It's a dirty Num Num. Let's cover this. So this is it, I guess. I gotta clean this out now. No, I gotta save it. I gotta save it. Oh my gosh. And then this little thing. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just don't order. You can order from this girl. I mean, her slime is pretty good. Just, it's sticky. So, see you all